My name is Debbie. I am 23 years old. I have worked all my life, but I have never moved forward. At night, I work as a waitress in a small restaurant near the highway. During the day, I work at a grocery store. I stand for many hours. My feet hurt. My back hurt. And my dreams feel very far away. I wanted to become a nurse. I wanted to help people. But school costs money, and money is something I never have. I am alone in this world. My mother left me when I was 16. She married a rich man and moved to another city. She said it was for a better life. She said she would call. She never did. After that, I stopped expecting anything good. That night, the restaurant is loud. There is a private party in the back room. Young people are laughing. They wear clean clothes and expensive shoes. They look free. I carry plates and refill drinks. I try not to stare. Then I notice him. He is sitting at the center of the table. Calm, clean. He does not laugh loudly like the others. He watches. Not just the room. He watches me. His eyes follow my movement. When I walk past, his gaze stays. It is not rude. It is not hungry. It feels careful, like he is measuring something. He raises his hand and calls me over. When I stand at his table, he looks at my face closely, like he is searching for something he already knows. "What is your name?" he asks. "Debbie," I say. Something in his face changes. Then he smiles. 2 days later, I receive a call. A man named Lucas offers me a job, office work at a private medical facility. A free apartment, night classes, paid. It feels unreal. When I meet him again, I recognize his eyes. He is the man from the restaurant. He is rich. His family owns hospitals, buildings in half the city. He speaks politely. He never raises his voice. "You deserve stability," he tells me. "But there is one condition." I listen carefully. "You must cut contact with your old life. No friends, no family, no questions about us." Something feels wrong, but I think about my aching feet, my empty fridge, my broken dreams. I say yes. The apartment is inside a large family estate. Lucas lives in the main house. At first, he is distant, cold, professional. But slowly, things change. He watches me more. He asks about my childhood, about my mother. One night, he says something that makes my hands shake. "Your mother did not abandon you because she did not love you," he says. "She left because loving you would have destroyed you." I ask him what he means, but he does not answer. Weeks pass. I learn the truth in pieces. My mother married Lucas's father, a powerful man, a respected man. But before that marriage, she had me. I am not her husband's child. I am a mistake, a secret. If people learn about me, the family name will break. Reputations will burn. Lucas is my stepbrother. He does not touch me. He does not say anything improper. But the air between us is tight. His fiancée hates me. She watches me like I am dirt, like I should not exist. I hear whispers. I see locked doors. One night, I try to call my mother. Lucas takes my phone. His voice is calm, but his grip is hard. That is not safe, he says, for you or for us. I feel small. That night, I sleep badly. I wake up to the smell of smoke. At first, I think I am dreaming. Then I hear the fire alarm. I sit up in bed. My heart starts to race. I jump up and run to the door. I grab the handle and pull hard. The door does not move. It is locked. I scream for help. No one answers. I run to the window. I try to open it. It does not open. I hit the glass with my hands. I grab a chair and hit it again and again. The heat grows stronger. I start to cough. I hit the window one more time. It finally breaks. I climb through the opening. My body moves on fear alone. I jump. I hit the ground hard. Pain explodes in my leg. I try to stand, but I fall again. A man runs toward me. He grabs my arms and pulls me away. Then everything goes dark. When I wake up, I am in a hospital bed. My leg is wrapped in bandages. A nurse tells me I'm lucky to be alive. Later, a doctor speaks to me. He says the fire spread too fast. He says the door locks were changed. He says it does not look like an accident. That is when I understand. Someone wanted me gone. Lucas stands beside my bed. His face is pale. His jaw is tight. He does not look surprised. He looks relieved. And then I know the truth. All this time, he was never helping me. He was protecting himself. When I recover, I leave the city. I do not tell anyone where I am going. I move to a small town far away. I enroll in a nursing course. I work during the day. I study at night. My body heals slowly. My mind takes longer. I still smell smoke sometimes when I wake up. I still check locks twice. I still remember the fire. But I am alive, and that is what matters.